Well, this is a Wedgwood design called Gold Columbia, dates from the late 20th century. This is an 1/8 and 1/8 inch diameter. Now, do check your widest diameter measurements when looking for this as a replacement, because we've had these at 8 inch as well. So they made them in a variety of different sizes over the production period. There's the Wedgwood China mark, Gold Columbia Sage Green, which suggests they may have made Gold Columbia in a variety of different colours. Haven't researched it, I'll be honest, but I'm sure if you're looking for Gold Columbia, you'll know which colour combination you're looking for. So we will amend the listing to say Sage Green. It's in absolutely perfect mint condition. The actual plate surface, not a mark on it. It's really nice and clean. All the gilt and glaze is in perfect condition, so this is an ideal replacement piece. 8 and 1/8 inch diameter, sold I suspect originally as a dessert or salad plate. It's a little on the large side to call it a side plate really, and it's certainly not big enough to constitute a dinner plate. So a dessert or salad plate. Nice condition, Gold Columbia, Wedgwood, late 20th century in sage green. Thanks for watching.